Here's a quick way to see how much revenue you have made on YouTube for the day, even if the data isn't all in. Let me jump to the analytics, to the revenue, and you can see this striped green line. That means it's still work in progress, okay? So I want to find the data for February 16th. Now, it's actually February 17th in YouTube land at Pacific Standard Time. But February 16th is still crunching the numbers. Never mind, I can still find out how much money I'm going to be getting through ad revenue, from ad revenue, and here's how. I go to the date for the 16th, custom, pick the day, the 16th to the 16th there, and hit apply. And now I've got this playback based CPM. Once that comes in, I can now click on this, see more. So my playback based CPM is $16.29 and monetized playbacks is $3.079. So that's enough data for me to get a very close calculation of how much money I'm going to get for that day from YouTube. Watch. $16.29, so that's the CPM or cost per mille for 1,000 views. Okay, so we're going to need to divide that by 1,000. And then we're going to say, well, how many monetized playbacks it was? 3,079. So that's times 3,079 divided by 1,000. And this is how much money advertisers are paying YouTube, which is $50. And my cut is going to be 55% of that. So I'll go times 0.55. And I should be getting roughly $27.58 for that day, for that day's revenue. So even though the CPM, even though I don't have the estimated revenue yet or the revenue per mille, I can figure it out based on this amount. Now, last thing to tell you is that that amount has come in at 3 p.m. Pacific time. On Wednesday, so that's for Tuesday's numbers. Now it varies each day, but generally around 3 p.m. or mid-afternoon to late afternoon, that PST number is there. So once again, analytics, revenue, pick your day, and then go down to see more, and then you multiply your monetized playbacks by the CPM divided by 1,000 times 0.55. Check a little while later. This one was maybe within another 20 minutes or so. I get to see that the estimated revenue is available, and it's actually really close to the number that I came up with. Okay, so that's where you see it. Now the RPM, we've still got to wait for that to come in. But even though the RPM, okay, which is revenue per mille, which is how much you're actually earning per 1,000 views, that hasn't come in. Now I really care about the CPM, because that ad revenue, that's pretty much all that I'm getting from my YouTube channel. I don't have any merch, I'm not getting supers, a super chat or anything like that. So I don't really care about the RPM, the calculated amount after YouTube has taken its cut. So I've got the CPM, and once I've got that, as you can see, I can work out my estimated revenue for the day.